What's up, guys? We're here back again. It's your boy King Angel, and we're about to react to Birds and the Z's by SSJ9K. This guy has a lot of animation parodies on his channel, especially Dragon Ball Z, so we're probably gonna get into a lot of those later on. But we're about to hop into this. 3, 2, 1, go. Animated by SSJ Carter. That's his other channel. I'll have them both linked in the description.
Sing to me, Dad. I lost its wings, baby.
Animation is clean.
Dad, baby. Come on, Dad. Dad.
This man love to sing.
Dad! God!
That's how I got your mother, Gohan.
I don't care!
Boy, who the hell are you yelling at? Huh?
I'm sorry,
Don't get it twisted, Gohan! I'll throw a goddamn spirit bomb at you!
Okay, Dad, but you're singing. It
a
makes
dragon
me
in the
want to
background?
blast myself in the face.
Well, I sang to your mother and she let me smash the first night.
You smashed Mom?
Hit it 3 times and I wifed her.
Why would you hit her? You monster!
Wait, that's not what I meant.
What are you saying?
Your dad, I mean Piccolo, never had to talk with you?
The
Oh
talk.
my god.
You know, the
Piccolo.
birds and the Z's.
I hate birds.
Even
Oh,
Goku thinks
bird
Piccolo
hate
is
manners.
dead.
Well, Gohan, sometimes when a man and a woman like each other, they do stuff.
What kind of stuff do they do?
Each other. No!
Yo.
Okay,
Yo, chill,
imagine that
Goku.
boys have power poles and girls have hyperbolic time chambers.
Okay.
When a boy sees a pretty girl, his power pole may extend.
Sounds like some weird sorcery to me.
Then if the girl likes the boy, she may allow him to place his power pole inside her hyperbolic
Oh.
time chamber.
Carter, what are you
Then,
doing?
After 9 months, something emerges.
What emerges?
A capsule.
A capsule corp capsule?
Yep, and guess what's inside the capsule?
A beef fajita taco?
No! A baby, Gohan!
Well, how am I supposed to know? Shit!
It's useless.
Dad,
Yeah?
Mr. Piccolo did tell me about the birds and the Z's.
Really?
Yeah. And from this day forward, I vow to put my power pole in as many time chambers as possible. And
He's
one
proud.
day,
He's proud.
maybe I'll be just like you.
No,
I'll have a bunch of kids
you have 2 kids.
and neglect them.
Oh. Yo, Carter, you gotta chill, bro. All right, we're gonna end it off right there. Yo, what? I'll have a bunch of kids and neglect them. Go on a savage. All right, man. I hope you guys enjoyed this reaction. A link to the video will be in the description below. So guys, go ahead and hit it up. Make sure you guys leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.